Chrome Remote Desktop is a free remote access application developed by Google that allows users to securely connect to another computer over the internet. With this tool, you can control a remote PC as if you were sitting in front of it. It works on Windows, macOS, Linux, Chromebooks, and even mobile devices, making it a powerful cross-platform solution. In this video, we explain what Chrome Remote Desktop is, how it works, and how you can use it safely for personal, educational, and professional purposes. What you will learn in this video: what Chrome Remote Desktop is and why it's useful, how Chrome Remote Desktop works, how to install and set it up on Windows 10 and Windows 11, how to access another PC remotely, how to enable unattended access, how to connect from a mobile phone, security and privacy features. Best real-world use cases: Chrome. Remote Desktop is widely used for work from home setups, accessing office computers, providing remote technical support, helping friends and family, online learning, and managing systems from anywhere. Since it is powered by Google, it offers strong encryption, account-based login, and a very simple setup process without complicated network configuration. One of the biggest advantages of Chrome Remote Desktop is that it is completely free and very easy to use. You only need a Google account and the Chrome browser to get started. There is no need to create new accounts or purchase subscriptions. This tutorial is designed for beginners, students, office workers, IT learners, and anyone who wants a reliable way to access a computer remotely. Like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tips, networking tutorials, and tech guides. Let's begin and follow my steps. Before starting, make sure you have a Google account, Google Chrome browser installed, and internet connection on both computers. Open Chrome, go to the Chrome Remote Desktop website, sign in with your Google account. This method is used when you and the other person have different Google accounts. On the computer to be accessed, open Chrome, go to Chrome Remote Desktop, click Remote Support, under Share the Screen, arrow click Share the Screen, click Generate Code. A 12-digit code will appear, valid for 5 minutes. Send this code to the other person. On the other computer, different Google account, open Chrome Remote Desktop, sign in with your own Google account, go to Remote Support, under Connect to another computer. Enter the 12-digit code, click Connect. You can now access the other PC. Like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tips, networking tutorials, and tech guides.